Well, good morning. In this episode, we're going to be working on my Ridgid, what's the number on this thing? So you can see that it's R250AFA, angled nail, finish nailer. What I had happen was I started using it, and I hadn't used it in a couple months. When I plugged it in to the air, I started noticing that I had a bleed. Air was coming out of this back part here. So took it apart and figured out what it was. And in the back spot of here, you're going to find out there's this little, they call it a collar. It's basically like a seal ring. It's what actually seals up the little piston part, keeps the air from coming out the back. So we're going to replace this part real quick. It's pretty dang easy. So here we go. All right, now once you pop it off, you're going to find you probably had this seal ring sitting right on top of here that is probably cracked or corroded or whatnot. It's got a little groove that you can't really see. There's a little groove. So there's a flat side here, and there's a groove side. To be quite honest with you, I don't remember which way it goes, but it looks like it probably goes this way. So then you just kind of stretch it around. Pop it right on there. Yeah, that was easy. So we put it back together. I want to make sure that I get all the bolts lined up first prior to tightening it up. So I'm going to put them all in and just put them in until it just starts sitting on here. All right, now let's throw some air to it. No leak. There you go. Easy peasy.